kiddies, in this video we are going to see the cute easy drawing of dino and also some facts about dinos. Yeah, let's go. Before that, just hit the subscribe button to get more videos. Yeah, now we go. Number 1. The word dinosaur comes from the Greek language and dinosaurs also called as dino. Number 2. Dinosaurs ruled the earth for more than 150 million years. Number 3. Dinosaurs became extinct about 65.5 million years ago. Number 4. The largest land-based dino was the Argentinosaurus hunculensis. Number 5. The first dino to be named as Megalosaurus. Number 6. The oldest dino is the Euraptor. Number 7. Dino fossils were first discovered in the early 1800s. Number 8. Scientists believe that birds descended from dinosaurs. Number 9. Many adult dinos had feathers. Number 10. Dinosaurs and humans did not coexist. Number 11. Not all dinos were carnivores. Number 12. Dinos fossils have been found on every continent. Number 13. We drink the same water dinos did. What? It's weird. Number 14. Some dinos were smaller than a chicken. Oh. Number 15. Dinos were colorful. Yeah, I agree with it. Number 16. Dinosaurs laid eggs. Number 17. Young dinosaurs grew fast. Number 18. Not all the dinosaurs existed at the same time. I hope you like this cute easy drawing of dino and facts about dinos. If you are, then hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.